Ransomware gang Hive has been active and busy lately. Only this week they have claimed responsibility for 4 new victims. One of them is Bell Technical Solutions, with more than 4,500 employees. It specializes in installing Bell services for residential and small business customers across the Ontario and Québec provinces. The subsidiary of Bell Canada is currently investigating the incident and notified the authorities. They warned customers of the possibility of being targeted in phishing campaigns following this incident. The Hive attackers also gained access to the systems of Empress EMS, a New York-based emergency response and ambulance service provider. Over 320,000 individuals were affected by this incident. And then was the New York Racing Association, which is the operator of the 3 largest thoroughbred horse racing tracks in New York. The threat actors have published a zip file with the exfiltrated information, including social security numbers, driver's license identification numbers, health records, and health insurance information. Horse racing hasn't been impacted by the incident because there have been no changes in the calendar, but the website of the association is down. The ransomware gang also added an iconic luxury hotel located in Miami Beach, Florida, to the victims list. The attackers claim to have stolen signed contracts, NDAs, and agreements with the artists. The active protection included in Acronis Cyber Protect detects and blocks ransomware from Hive or other groups, keeping your data safe from encryption or extortion.